I wanted to show you guys the home-cooked meal that my mother-in-law made for us. We have some rice, some miso soup with lots of yummy mushrooms and stuff, some butter-fried hotate. We also have some yummy pickles that are made from daikon and cucumber. Really good salad that has lots of broccoli and vegetables, and some tuna and mayonnaise mixed up too. A couple of different pork dishes. That's more of a salt based one, and then this one's got soy sauce and lots of vegetable saute with it. Really good. She's such a great cook. Another thing she just found a recipe for was to put tofu and tomatoes with pesto or basil sauce, and that was really good. So a super delicious meal at her house the other night. And then because Hinamatsuri is on the 3rd of March here, just this coming weekend, we were able to have for dessert these specialty cakes. These are only found in Nagasaki. They're castella actually, and they're shaped like peach and usually have this nice thick layer of frosting on top that kids really like.